Here's an iPhone screenshot tip I bet you didn't know. When I press the volume up and the button on the opposite side together, that will allow me to take a screenshot. Now, if I let this screenshot go into Photos and I open Photos, and here is the last screenshot right here, and then I go to the bottom right here and I tap to actually crop this, and I tap on crop, what you'll notice is if I try to crop this from the top or bottom, it also brings the sides in as well. And there's no way around that unless... Hey, if you like this video so far, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. I'll cancel this, discard changes. I'll show you a neat little trick. So if I close out of this, I'm going to take another screenshot, but before I let it get to Photos, I tap on it right away. Now I can actually adjust this photo in any way, top or bottom or sides, and it doesn't bring the crop all in together like it does once you hit Photos. So you have to do this as soon as you take the screenshot before it goes into your Photos app. Leave a comment for me down below and let me know if you already knew this screenshot tip. For more iPhone tips and tricks, check out this playlist, and I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel.